So first of all, we would like to do prime factorization of these number. For instance, take 12 and you know what are the factors of 12? 2, 6, 12, 2, 3, 3, 1, right? So the factor of the 12 can be written as 12 means 2 is square into 3. Yes. So we can write 2 is square and 3 to power 4 into. Similarly, we know 9 can be written as 3 square. So 3 square means 3 square cube, and into 4 means 2 square. So 4 can be written as square of 2. 6 can be written as 2 into 3, and we have power 3 of this. And again, 8 can be written as 2 to power 3, and we have square of this. And finally 27, we know the prime factorization of 27. If you don't know, you can factorize and find it. And but we know it's 3 into 3 into 3 is 27, so it's 3 to power 3. So this is simple prime factorization. Now we will use the law of exponent to expand it further. Now we had the law of exponent, if you remember, a into b to power, a into b to power m was a to power m into b to power m. All right, we will use this and expand these things further. So what we are getting? We are getting 2 to, sorry, okay, now we have, in place of a, we have 2 square. So it can be written as 2 square to power 4 into 3 to power 4. So that formula we're talking about, we have used here. And also we had another rule of exponent that said a to power m and this to power n is equal to a to power. We simply multiply these two powers, m, n. So you're going to use this also. Here it is useful. So this will become 3 to power 3 into 2 should be 6 into 2 square as it is, divided by, in the denominator also we are applying the same law, 2 to power 3 into, in place of b we have 3 to power 3 into 2 to power 6 into 3 to power 3. Okay, now we can again use the property. So the rule, power to power, they get multiplied. So we get 2 to power 4, 2 is 8. And the rest of the numbers you see, and another, since the multiplication of the numbers is commutative, so we can bring this 2 also close to this 2. So 2 to power 2 and into 3 to power 4 and 3 to power 6. We simply rearrange the numbers in the numerator. We would also like to rearrange the numbers in denominators. So we can write 2 to power 3 into 2 to power 6 into 3 to power 3 into 3 to power 3. Let's see what we get next. We know a to power m into a to power n equal to a to power m plus n. Did we have that formula here? No, we haven't written here. So you can see that formula. We can write that. What we can write, a to power m and into a to power n. So these laws, these rules of exponent must be learned by heart. So it comes a to power m plus. So we're going to use this. This thing here can be written as 2 to power 8 plus 2. So that is 2 to power 8 plus 2 into 3 to power 4 plus 6 divided by 2 to power, again same law, 3 plus 6 and 3 to power 3 plus 3 should be 6. Okay, no, let's write first 3 plus 3. So it's 3 plus 3. All right, what do we get next? It's equal to 2 to power 10 into 3 to power 10. 6 and 4 is 10. Okay, denominator has 2 to power 9, and this is 3 to power 3 plus 3 will be 6. Also, now we can clearly watch it. We have 2 to power 10 divided by 2 to power 9. So if we consider this part of our expression, this thing can be written as 2 to power 10 minus 9. And the second part, talking about this part, 3 power something, this thing can be written as 3 to power, so this into 3 to power 10 minus 6. How much is this? 2 to power 10 minus 9 means 2 to power 1, and into 3 to power 10 minus 6 means 3 to power, how much is 10 minus 6 is 4. So how much is this? 2 into 3 to power 4 means 81. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times. 81 into 2 will give you how much? 1. This is 2. 162 is your answer.